Hello, this is Joanne today, here in Colorado. Sitting by my flowers, waiting for the hummingbirds. Had a little black-chinned hummingbird up here at the feeder a few minutes ago, but I didn't catch him on film. I was busy cutting wire, or unrolling wire or something. I am making 2 more bird baths. I'm just kind of doing the framework on both of them at the same time so I can do the wire and the sharp stuff. So I have a sono tube. This one I'm using is like 9 inches because the cement around it will add another inch. I'm finding that, sorry, got a spider crawling on me. I'm finding that 10 inches is a good size for the top, and because I need to put the rows on around the top and between the sections of moss, it'll get bigger, and I don't want it to weigh so much that people can't move it. We had one yesterday that was pretty heavy, and I don't want that to be the case, so want them heavy enough not to blow away, not to fall over in the wind, but strong enough so that they, and big enough so that the birds and bees can all find plenty of places to feed or drink. So I have the sono tubes, and then I have 1/4 inch wire mesh, which is very sharp if you're not careful. Wear some good gloves. I don't have Kevlar, but I do kind of cut carefully, and I have these big wire cutters. And if I hold it right and do that, then I can get down. Then I have wire, and for this, I'm going to kind of stitch it down the top, or down the side of the sono tube, because I'm going to fold in part of this over the top, and then when I'm done, I'm going to put another layer on about 1/4 inch out from this one, and then I'm going to cover the sono tube with plastic. I'll just lift it out of there, cover it with plastic before I put the cement on or the mortar, so that hopefully I can just slide the tube out when I'm done. So I'm going to make it just a hair bigger than the tube, so there's room for the plastic and it's not on too tight, so that hopefully I can slide it out of there and reuse the tube. So that is the goal, and I am going to get back to work. I won't videotape me stitching this with wire, or the wire, but I will go through and over this edge so that I can pull down this edge tight, so that when I'm sliding my hands up there with the mortar, that I don't hook myself with some sharp wire. So I'll take a picture of it when I'm done and show you what it looks like. In the meantime, I'm going to figure out where I need to stitch this, and then I'm going to take the sono tube out because it's easier to stitch without cardboard behind it. So, working one step at a time.